Well, y'all, welcome back to part 2. Now, we're gonna start off by putting the timing chain, the new timing chain in. It's a performance timing chain. I guess it's supposed to be a little stronger, whatever. I don't know. But I was gonna replace it anyways because all this I had 210,000 miles on it. And the best way, you always want to make sure like your cylinder 1 is at the top first of all, and then with this. Chrysler or Dodge Mopar or whatever made it kind of easy because let me see if I can see that. I don't think I can. It's like a dot right there. Go that dot right there. That should always be at like the 12 o'clock. It's gonna be one odd color down here. It's only gonna be one down there. Dot on this too is right there. You barely can see that one. Probably can't see it really on camera, but it's gonna be like a little dot. So you just with that dot, you want to put that in the same area as, put that in the same thing as the color. So like as the dark color is right here, the dot is right here, the dark color is right here. You just want to put that on there like that. Yeah, so the bottom one, the bottom dot, this dot on this will be at the bottom with that one dark color, and then the dot at the top will be at the 12 o'clock position with the two dark colors over here. You want to kind of, I guess you could say, kind of do it at the same time. Oh snap! Hold on. Alright, now we're gonna start installing this upgraded oil pump. The screen that's in there now said it was like a 60 psi. I could have upgraded. I think they said it was, the other one was like 65 or 70, and I could go one lower. It was like 55, but I'm gonna keep the standard one in here. It's basically like a Hellcat oil pump, I guess you can say. Because my psi is gonna be higher, so why not? More lubrication, the better. Now we're gonna screw back in the oil pickup tube to the bottom of this. So I'm gonna turn it a little bit so I can. And no, I haven't drained the oil yet. I'm gonna do it at the end because I've heard that if you wait to the end, kind of like when you put the heads back on from all the coolant and stuff, it runs down to the oil pan, of course, and yeah, when you put the heads back on, something like it goes. I just dropped something like it goes to the bottom of the oil pan. So when you drain the oil, the coolant that was like spilled out from you taking the heads and stuff off, it comes out. It comes out with it. So that's the only reason why I haven't drained the oil yet. But I am gonna drain it, of course. It's time for oil change anyways. And then doing a build like this, you always want to have fresh do everything, fresh oil.
Will you be doing the oil change today?
Probably. If I'm done with it in enough time, then yeah. So I can just go ahead and get it out the way. Well, y'all, we got the new oil pump on down there. Looking good, it's shiny. Got the new timing chain and stuff on. Now we just got the gasket from O'Reilly. So put on the timing cover. And we're gonna put the timing cover on. And then we bolt that all up. And I think next, after that, it's gonna be the heads. Or we can start putting we can probably start putting the compressor and the alternator, hooking that back up. Or we might leave it down just so we can have more room to put the head stuff on or whatever. But yeah, after timing cover, we're either gonna start on the heads or start putting the accessories together. So like I've been saying, just stay tuned.
So what are you putting on it?
Putting the bolts and stuff back in.
Say that again?
Putting the bolts and stuff back in.
But what is that?
What's what? Oh, the valve. The timing cover.
The timer cover?
The timing.
Timing?
Yeah.
What does it do?
It covers the timing belt, so that's what we do.
Oh. Oh, my bad. Oh, my bad. Okay.
Now we gotta open up the stuff from the dealership. Dang, man. There you go. Open up the stuff from the dealership. What did I say? Ooh, SRT. It's gonna be running like an SRT. Be faster than an SRT. Come on, it's basically an SRT. You feel me? But yeah, got the head gaskets and all the other stuff in there for the intake manifold, like the gaskets, all the actuator gasket, and no, this is the actuator gasket. What is this? I gotta see what this is. And then the PCV valve, basically the stuff's the intake manifold from dealership. Well, y'all, we got the heads bolted down with the ARP head studs. And now we finna put the rocker arms and the push rods in, so let's get to that. And after that, I'll probably go ahead and put the valve covers on, and then that's when I'm gonna bolt in the alternator and the compressor, and then I put on the intake manifold. So stay tuned. Well, y'all, got the rocker arms back on, got the push rods in there, got the coolant lines hooked up, got this one hooked up. And I just need to do that back there, finish hooking it up in the back there. Got the rock arms and stuff and push rods on this side. Now, I think next I am just gonna go ahead and do the valve covers to get them out the way. Alright y'all, so as y'all can see from the last update, I got a lot of stuff put back on. I got the alternator on, the steering pump, and the AC compressor. Then I just put these up here. I didn't screw them down because I still got to get gaskets for them. And I don't know if I showed y'all this, but I do have the push rods and stuff in. As y'all can see, I don't know if y'all can see it a little bit in there. I got the push rods and the rocker arms on, and on this side, of course, the springs been in. And so I just gotta get gaskets for these, the valve cover gaskets. And tomorrow I'm gonna go ahead and get a radiator, because as you can see, this one is kind of damaged, even though it's still kind of new, but the stuff from, I really didn't take it all the way out from, so like some of the stuff falling, it kind of hit it and messed it up a little bit. It might still work, but just be on the safe side, I'm gonna go ahead and replace it. And I just gotta put my new thermostat in, which is I got a 180 thermostat, the 392 manifold on, switch this radiator out. I'm getting a new cooling fan because only one of my blades had worked. And yeah, do the oil change, bleed the cooling and stuff. And that's gonna be basically it. Plug everything back in. Oh, and spark plugs and coil packs.
So let me know.
Have you on
That's what she's saying.
Wait, wait,
Do you have to say for yourself, buddy?
Battery went dead. It's because I had to have it on while I was
No wrong with it.
while I had to put it in neutral.
Exactly.
So, even
Just straight up and down.
yep, here's the startup. The moment we've all been waiting for.
Alright, good.
Let's go. Oh, you
I got mine. You're not. I said,
Well, y'all, welcome back to another Jack Swag's meet. We in the fin still. Other than that, welcome back to a new video. We got Exotic Shop with us.
Yes, sir, ski.
And yeah,
me.
And you too. I know, right? So yeah, we at this meet. There's a lot of cars like usual. So walk around, probably get a few B-rolls stuff. So hey, y'all just stay tuned. What's up?
All you heard was doo doo doo.
What's up, man?
Recording stuff. What's up, bro?
I heard you did something to the G8.
Little engine swap.
A little engine swap. I feel it.
Still slow. I get it. I'm sorry. No, it's slow.
So what is it? A 6.2 in there now?
6.2.
What was in there first? 6.0?
6.0.
6.2 out of what? A Camaro or
GTO.
GTO?
It's a crate motor. It came out of Escalade.
Oh, for real? Damn. Okay. It sounded good though.
I have to show y'all when I get it tuned and stuff.
Well, we got a C7 right here, Z06. I didn't even know it's Z06. It's a Z06. It's black, murdered out with red Brimbos. That thing nice, yeah, with the carbon fiber. Yeah, carbon fiber. We got a South and AMG. We got a Mercedes. We got a lot of GTRs lined up, and some over there. Rome took us out of getting his thumbnail. What is that? Oh, it's coming. Dang. Already now. But yeah, it's a lot of GTRs. It's more GTRs. A lot of JDMs around here. Let's see if we can Infinity down there. All right, bro. We got a nice place. Oh my God, look at this. It's awesome. Look at all the GTRs leaving out. Yeah, and this is an M3, y'all. The G80 purple. That thing's good. Jesus. I miss my car.
This is crazy.
I miss my car. I need my car.
I bet, bro.
Oh my God. Dang, James over here bumping. Got the Hellcat and the 5.0. That color is nice. What's a manual, I guess.